Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to add people on Telegram Desktop. Adding contacts on Telegram Desktop allows you to quickly connect with friends, family members, coworkers, and anyone else who uses Telegram. Let us get started. The first thing you need to do is open Telegram on your computer. Once Telegram Desktop opens, click on the menu icon with three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, click on Contacts. In the Contacts window, click the Add Contact button located near the bottom of the window. A new window will appear where you can enter the contact's information. Type the person's first name in the appropriate field. Next, enter their last name if you have it, although this field is optional. Then, enter the person's phone number, making sure to include the correct country code. After entering all the required information, click the Create button. Telegram will save the contact and add them to your contacts list. If the phone number is registered with Telegram, you can immediately start chatting with the person. Their chat will appear in your chat list. To send a message, click on the contact's name and type your message in the text box at the bottom of the chat window. Press Enter to send the message. You can also find people using their Telegram username. Click the search bar at the top of Telegram Desktop and type the person's username. As you type, Telegram will display matching results. Click on the correct profile from the list. The chat window will open, allowing you to send a message even if the person is not saved in your contacts. If you would like to save them as a contact, click on their profile name at the top of the chat window and select the option to add them to your contacts. That's how you add people on Telegram Desktop. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. I will see you in the next one.